What is an expanding stem caster? Well, each caster consists of 4 parts: the caster, a white spacer, a soft rubber adapter, and a tightening nut. Make sure you're installing these casters in 1 5/8" outside diameter legs. Before fully tightening the nut, make sure your caster fits in the leg. It will fit loosely at first. For the caster to properly tighten, it must be expanded to fit snugly in the leg. This is accomplished by holding the base and turning the adapter until it has been expanded enough to fit tightly inside of the tubing. To complete the process, tighten the nut on the underside of the caster with a wrench. Once you've completed the process in all your legs, you're ready to roll. If you need to stop the table from moving, simply push down on the on side of the lever. When you're ready to move the table again, press down on the off side of the lever. Thanks for watching How to Install Expanding Stem Casters.